The baby I gonna take because this is gonna be a joke, you know. I don't want to laugh early. Come on, get the best laugh. So if Fabbi really a breed, who the baby I gonna favor? Because we have to talk to the doctor from now.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
The baby I gonna take because this is gonna be a joke, you know. I don't want to laugh early. Come on, get the best laugh. So if Fabbi really a breed, who the baby I gonna favor? Because we have to talk to the doctor from now. They have to go do some strong exercise because the baby can't come out favor Jayden. Baby can't come out favor Jayden, and the baby, me don't want the baby come out favor throwback Fabbi. The baby can't come out with Jayden face and Jayden shape. The baby just can't look like Jayden. Just cannot have nothing for Jayden, not even fingernail. Me don't want the baby favor slime either. You mad? Me don't want this. Me don't like the building up.
Yeah, let's get into it. So she writes me at 10:13 this morning. Messages. And it says,
Jayden, I'm a friend, but I'm concerned about him.
Good morning. Turn up your 33 head now. Good morning.
Wow.
I need money for my trauma because you introduced me to Jayden. Yes, I need money for my trauma.
Mix up. Take that fire, don't come in the amount. Do not come in the amount. Where's like my juice done?
We need money for my trauma. Anyway, what's the way the internet turned on Jayden?
But I never tell him.
What's the way they turned on Jayden?
Take that fire, I didn't tell him. We need compensation.
No, for real, a true Thai MC, we need compensation. I him introduced me to Jayden because I never know who is this Jayden until he started. Every day, I like Jayden. I like Jayden. Every day, I like Jayden. I like Jayden. Every day.
True, honestly.
We need compensation. We need a fun.
But me did tell him in a TikTok liar. I told him, I said, Jayden.
Well, she because we thought though, but what a way Jayden create blame them and them just create turn on their own demise.
TikTok liar, this made one answer yesterday. But it never sit well with Jayden. You see, Jayden, honestly, I don't want to use the word bad mind, so maybe use the word jealous. Jayden packed with jealousy for a position that he's not used to, and that it will get the best of him.
I think he has never been the favorite ever in his life. So the first time he has been the favorite at anything.
But then
it's new to him.
He's never been the favorite yet. And you get a taste of it. You're not supposed to hang on on it. And that's a mistake.
Greed, but that's greed.
Yeah.
That's greed.
And then you see yesterday, I see a lot of persons that cause Kitty. You know? People have them reservation about the child, which I do too. You understand me? However, wrong and right are right.
That's misplaced anger.
Yeah, you can't. You see, if me know I have lost a match, and you a celebrator, you supposed to be my friend, me can't jump and cuss you.
No, but Jayden, yeah. Yeah. But Jayden, what my thing from that is Jayden wants us to blame them, but Jayden don't want to come off bad mind. So
no.
Misplaced anger.
You said nobody no know said Jayden latch on to number one and Jayden don't want to see nobody reach number one. And it's so true. He don't want to see nobody reach number one. But him, he wants to be in control, to have that power and feel good. And And it's a destroy him.
It destroy him in a way, yeah, that's true. It destroy him in a way, him get too greedy. And it's not about the coins anymore, it's about the position.
It's a police, not care how you like Jayden. Let me tell the truth. Jayden just bad mind and jealous. Over the fact, say, him don't know how him reaches and him reach there. You give a mess and him don't want nobody else experiencing. Him a one of them with closed door of opportunity in a smiley face. It's just the truth. I can't bother beat on the bush no more.
Yeah, and then the thing with Jayden too, with this whole blam them thing. He was the only one the whole blam them thing. He was the only one who wanted to play with blam them. Why? And him open the door, you know. Remember, blam them on the internet. I try be somebody and I try be seen for years, you know, from babbling, I know.
Jayden is smart. He's not a smart individual.
He's not smart, no. He's not smart. He open the door.
You can play with blam them and blam them and tell him, oh, this I'm a kid, this I'm a batty man. They not kind of stuff that they not mean.
Exactly. He was wrong for that. He should have opened the door for him. Just like how everybody
blame them the Jayden door. I won't lie. Me never sit on your son like me like for Jayden to blame them, because you know why? Me like for Jayden to blame them. Jayden used triple for get down Rosalie.
Who is that again?
You never see when Rosalie and Triple play a match and Jayden send them.
Me know that then two people there.
Oh, you don't know them? Oh, alright.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Let's talk about that. That's what I'm saying. Him create his own demise. Let's talk about that.
Yes,
we all know Blam them shoot for himself. Let's talk about that. You see the night when Triple come on and Jayden sent him the 23 lion?
Yeah.
That's when this Coral person unlocked that white lion. This Coral page, this quote-unquote Coral Wilson page, him coming out, all right, Triple, maybe we get Triple 23 lion. Blam them also like Triple. So Blam them went with this Coral page, because I don't care when nobody wants to say Blam them shoot for himself. And go and unlock the lion. And then you create your own demise, because the same lion they come back and clean out the jungle. Clean the jungle right out. That same lion, when unlocked with Coral Wilson, he turned right against you. That's it.
He might play a game when he don't know.
He don't understand the game.
Yeah, Jayden play a game that he has no knowledge of. Honestly.
None. He not study the game. He just care about being number one, and that was it.
Yeah. He might play a game where that he have known that. You see when me realize that Jayden really and truly get hooked. It's when Quiet Perry reached number one what in the last year. And he jump up, but Quiet Perry may have come back for the spot. And what I came a joke, when you're looking at Jayden face, you see disappointment. You know, you not have no reason for send Perry a message because you and Perry are a friend. But me just see it in them face. Me not care nobody wants to, me just see it. And me say, you know, say Jayden really make this thing get to him. And oh yes, it will get to him wickedly.
And he did not need these people. He did not need these people. He was doing fine by himself. And the moment he start mixed with these people who don't like him, that is when his demise start, and he didn't even realize.
I to tell him. I say Jayden, they might try to take you down. No, him not here.
Because them feel say, oh, I'm the man now, and everybody want to play with Jayden, but you don't realize that everybody a plot off to take down Jayden.
And that's why they play with him. That is why they play with him. Every time them go and match with him, them try to steal from him.
I heard he said to the lady next door, the rice lady, me hear him say to basmatic rice lady, say one time he was playing a match and him asked to play with Crop Top. And Crop Top say no. And me live to see Crop Top and run him down on the internet. And him play with Crop Top couldn't even look my way. I don't care when he wants to me like whole grudge, but me like whole grudge. When he go what the place name, Rebel Party, he put him in a cabana, put necklace around his neck, all kind of thing. And then when you want to play one match with him in deny you, that's like you have to remember those things.
You see, I would have said something about that now, but I would have said something.
Come on, talk, man. I talk with you, talk, man. We can't bother talk, man. Talk, man. You're back broad, you know.
Me know my background, but me no want wise them up.
They might run him down if you play with him. Run him down.
TikTok like I said this to them every time. They will laud you to tear you down. Them carry clothes, them wear cabana, them put on jewelry, only to get rid of you. You never know.
If he did stay in that house and come out and stay around in the backyard and play him like a game, this would not reach him.
He was a nice and funny individual then.
This would not reach him. Because remember, you know, the man buy one outfit and pull him out of the house, you know. And that's when this person, the little his best friend was created. In bromance. The bromance we have, that was when it was created. Because that's not a relationship, that's a bromance. That's a bromance. That's not a relationship, that's a bromance. What's up, B? What B? Bro? No one bromance is that. That's not a relationship.
But if I understand who you're there with, remember the internet put them together now?
Who? The lady with the Ozempic?
Who?
The lady with the Ozempic?
Is she at
No, she one of them man and TJ. When you say TJ play marble with him? That was very funny, we not lie.
But you don't even see him and Jayden again.
Because remember, you know, he was nobody, you know, and he start run behind Jayden like one little, I don't know what you call that. But he get something out of it, he get 1 million coin, plus he get his ass beat.
You see how them use people? You don't even see him.
Yep, he not care. He say a tree baby. Me say a tree baby. A tree baby will happen now.
What do you mean by tree baby?
Because Fabbi and Jayden are a baby and they might bring one baby. So it's gonna be tree baby.
Oh Lord Jesus. No, but when we're concerned about, you know, if the baby ever have an address.
Airbnb?
Yeah,
on the website. On the website.
Oh my God! And this is, you see, this is the level of truth when you get in front of.
Yep. Right there, so. And then people think you're insensitive.
Remember, it's me talking and say, Ivan, nobody don't care about your so cocky granny with dead in front of you. Nobody don't care about that lick out batty woman. From this, so Ivan don't use it again. It wasn't traumatizing Ivan. She was seeking sympathy from it. And that with enough victims. What
sympathy and payola.
Yeah, man, them coming to your happiest moment with their baby girl or two people not understanding her. You see me, I started rejecting people. If you see me happy, whatever news you have sad, I put about my granny, keep it.
Keep it,
I'm going to disrespect you. Happiness hard to come by now. So when I hold on it, I have to keep it.
Real happiness especially. Real happiness.
What you say?
Yep, it's very hard to come by. Happiness and acceptance is very hard to come by.
What you say, my baby?
And when you really reach it and somebody that would then stupid trauma. Honestly, people, me take the trauma. 50-year-old woman, listen, you need therapy. And I can't be your therapy. You need professional help. I'm not being insensitive, but if every time you do something and me can't hold you accountable, and you just bring up your trauma, then me always seem like the bad friend. You have to get professional therapy.
Me not do. Me still have a friend, you know.
They hear say, oh, you know, like the story starts, have a rebirth. The story of a rebirth. One additional piece coming to the story, like they add on one little piece to it. Yeah, that's true. The story add on one little piece to it. No, you never notice. Like
the boy with the girl and the girl with the boy, don't do that. Make them go
force them.
People.
Yeah, then don't force them to be together.
And this is what see the result here.
They think she really in kid?
Eh?
You think she really pregnant?
TikTok liar. Jayden and Fabbi favor spit and germs. The two of them for go sit down. The two of them for go sit. Me say, me don't know if I Jayden me eat Fabbi because I can't eat Jayden, but I don't like Fabbi.
I think I should pity her.
I don't like Fabbi. I really don't like Fabbi. No, for sure, I don't like Fabbi. I don't like Fabbi. I don't like Fabbi. Fabbi make me eat butch. For sure. Fabbi remind me of them dirty butch. You know them dirty careless butch? Fabbi remind me of them butch. Honestly, I don't like Fabbi. I Jayden enough time me not running for Fabbi, you know. I Jayden enough time me don't like Fabbi for sure. You lady right here, so I don't like her for sure.
And that's when the might start. Jayden was doing so fine by himself, and the moment they go together, it's just like everything just turned upside down.
I really don't. Me say, me eat everything about Fabbi. Me eat her energy. Me just eat Fabbi. Me eat her energy for sure. I Jayden enough time me not going pan Fabbi. But me don't. Fabbi mouth ever look cheesy too. I've seen the two of them match.
And that's the thing with me that respect with Jayden. All right, you have this big match, right? You had this big match, and you know turn out how you want to turn out. To me, you come out a winner because you came with 0 coins, you left with almost 780,000. On TikTok, there's no loser when it comes to a match, but because you both came there with nothing, you invested nothing, and you came there with nothing, so nobody can lose. But you were being a sore loser because after the match done, you start cuss everybody. You crash out like you crash out. Because I agree with what I said, the whole thing with Pregn, you shouldn't even argue with the girl. She was one to gift her. Show some appreciation. Say it behind closed doors. You shouldn't even say nothing. You crash out bad. And you seem so like winning, you're obsessed with winning. And come on.
That's
just leave the internet. The next morning you wake up, Fabbi pregnant. Why would you need to hear all of that?
When me hear him and him gift argue, me I say, hold on.
Yeah, that was bad.
Jayden and gift argue, stop. Jayden did have no gift fair argue with people now.
That was wrong of him.
But you see, when you make this towel turn tablecloth, they want to go on window for curtain. Always remember that. I tell you, you know, he had the easiest thing for come down in and the hardest thing for go up, but he never hear me. He don't remember how we got started. You all upon somebody where gift you. You all upon them.
Yep, and show appreciation. And if they decide to move on for whatever reason, you need to just leave it alone. Maybe the one day they'll come back.
Did you think me would have come on the net and cuss one of my gifter? No, me and my gifter would have to catch up on the internet because me a correct my gifter. You understand me?
Yeah.
But me you know have
wrong.
Camera. And then my kid come and say, people, you know what? And me start on, you must be mad. You must be mad. Me, my love. Me.
Yeah. You must crash out
with other gifters from coming to you. You never know that.
Exactly. That's a trend you have set, and you know, other people are watching. Say, oh, what if one day me and him fall out? This is how I'm going to treat me?
That's why I'm telling you this. You say, my dear, you like me? Please understand me before you like me. Do me a big.
Exactly.
And me first and personal, I'm going to tell you, say, miss nobody like me because you don't know me. You don't know me, so don't like me. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Doesn't everybody understand everybody, and these gifters don't understand these rankers, and these rankers don't understand these gifters. These rankers come pretend to be what they are not.
Most definitely. And these gifters too. You go both ways.
These gifters coming about at least you're not to see them, you know. But they see you every day with the pan, you saw the cameras on you. And you people know. So even if your gifters wrong, you have to be careful of the approach.
Yep.
You have to. Because you're going to mash up your business or slow down your business or what you call business.
I know what I had respect about Jade when I started looking to him after you introduced us to him is his work ethic. He need have really good work ethic. You know, I said that's why Shebada like him. He said his TikTok thing serious. He treat it like a work, you know. I did admire that about him.
And he was very nice, very.
Yeah, he was.
Until it start getting greedy.
So you know, so when you meet Ramesh in lifestyle go down, we think of Ramesh though.
Never ask you that, my baby, but come in and from meet Ramesh now because him and Italia used to thief the internet. But come in and go the to show. Remember, him and Blam them make a bed saying that they might come off of the net for 1 week straight all those. You know me hear Jayden say, we're tired of him now. And me just shake me.
Crash out.
Me shake me come and say, this is exactly how me see him. This is exactly how me see him. Sore loser, a liar, a greedy individual. This and Fabbi and him birds of a feather. Fabbi is not a woman with say my youth. That them behavior they not right. So sometimes
woman, Fabbi's a woman. She's a girl. Fabbi don't know no better. Fabbi egg on Jayden. She don't know no better.
Because they told them the same thing. Because
yeah,
and don't blame Fabbi, you know, because if Fabbi no pick up for Jayden, you know, Jayden will vex with Fabbi, you know.
But sometimes she don't have to say nothing.
Oh.
She can wait until the camera turn off, then she have a discussion.
Yeah, but I'm telling you this. You see, Jayden broke Fabbi in her attitude.
Yeah,
birds
I'm trainer.
Flock together.
I'm trainer.
I'm gonna ask you if she can say eye to eye with him, them can't be on the same page. So none of them can correct none of them.
Him didn't even take a little break there. And because you know, he crashed out yesterday, crash out past slime everybody. Italian everybody.
You might feel it.
Because they might play with Ashley. And what I was saying to Jayden, this is why people say I prank the internet too. Because we lived through this already, this whole pregnancy thing. You brought us down this road already. It's like one page, you take a one page out of one old book. You know, they look at old dog years book there. You look at dog years book, the way they have long time, you go pick up your back and rip one page outside. That's exactly what you did.
Me not read certain things about him. Him forget how him started and him start buying to who not like him and that crush him.
Yep, it's true.